Hi, my name is AJ Bohnet, and my paper is about staying together for children's sake or divorcing. Is a divorce better in the family than staying together for the children's sake? Divorce, the final termination of a marital union, canceling the legal and responsibilities of marriage and dissolving the bonds of matrimony between the parties. There are two types of divorce, cooperative and adversarial. Cooperative divorce is a situation in which the parties are willing to meet, discuss, and resolve issues without requiring a court battle. Adversarial divorce is a divorce that leads to a legal contest or a court battle and involves attorneys assuming opposite positions in court. Adversarial divorce is much harder on children because they feel they have to pick a side between their mother and father. Does the type of parent affect the situation? There are four types of parents. Authoritative, authoritarian, indulgent, and indifferent. Authoritative parents are warm and firm. They have a nice balance between the two. Authoritarian parents are much more firm, and they don't have as much verbal give and take between them and their child. Indulgent parents are very passive and place very few demands on their children. They feel that they can be loose and lax. Their children can make their own decisions. They're just there to simply guide them. Indifferent parents rarely talk to their children and take their opinion and do not take their opinion into consideration. They are parent-centered and concerned only about themselves. These are parents who are very much centered around their career, and these are parents who are more likely to abuse their children than any of the other parenting styles. Parenting styles do make a difference in a divorce situation. It is better if the parents are the same type of style because the children feel more safe and secure in both homes. If there are different styles, it makes it harder for the child to transition between being at their mother's house and then being in their father's house because the rules and the atmosphere are different. Now, staying together for the child's sake can also have effects. If the household is tense and confrontational, the child will act out. They will pick up on the tension and the confrontation between their mother and father no matter how hard they try to hide it. The child will either act out towards siblings, neighbors, and at school. There are some long-term effects to divorce and to staying together. Divorced children have a higher chance of getting divorced in their own marriage because they learn about marital commitment by observing their parents in their marriage. They have a higher rate of getting in trouble at school, and they have a hard time relating to other people. Staying together also has long-term effects. When the child leaves the household, most adults who've stayed together just for their child's sake will then divorce. The child then feels that they were lied to their whole life and they can't trust what their parents are telling them. This is my works cited, and thank you for listening to my presentation.